guys to this video. Before we get started, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. I am going to be giving away a lot of valuable information on how to start a business, getting started with your own web hosting in your reseller account, and other things that we have to offer inside this course that we're going to be launching. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, right now you are presented with a page which is called SyberNinja Web Hosting Company, which was developed by me. I've been doing websites for maybe 20 years now, and when I first started, I was dabbling with the HTML and trying to learn how to code things. I started out on MySpace, and MySpace allowed you to play with the HTML coding and kind of like design the page that fits you. And I got into a little bit of that a few years back, and it just caught my attention, and I wanted to learn more about, what makes a page work, and I wanted to learn everything about it. And I first started out, like I say, with MySpace, and then it led to me actually creating a website. My first website I created was horrible. I must tell you, it was horrible, but it taught me how to better myself and what people are actually looking for when they come to a website. And I took a lot of time to train myself on this particular niche that I was working with, and I just pounded in the study of HTML, the building of the website process. And I would watch a lot of videos on YouTube, just trying to find out how to actually develop a great working website and to put it on the internet and get it working and gain traffic to it. I was able to do a few websites for local businesses, do a few websites for artists in the music industry. I've built so many websites for a lot of people over the years, and as I built those websites, I learned something new every time I built a website. I learned the SEO part, which is very valuable when you're creating a website, which is search engine optimization, because without that, no one will find your website on the web. You can build as many websites as you like, but no one is definitely not going to find you on the web because of you don't have the proper SEOs on your website. So if you look at the page right here, this is basically what I call a perfect website. My SEOs, let's talk about the SEO part. You see fastest performance web hosting, dedicated server are ideal for large businesses and high traffic websites. Web hosting, that is a search phrase that people might be typing in. If you have a web hosting company, they might type in web hosting for if they're looking for web hosting, they would type that in, and you might potentially come up if your keywords are ranked in the proper category, or how it should be. And a lot of people talk about having on-page SEOs, and this is basically like a prime example of what an on-page SEO should look like when you come to the site. Okay, now basically what SyberNinja is a web hosting company. We also offer reseller accounts, meaning you can do exactly what I'm doing right now and resell your web hosting and get you clientele and get business up under your belt. Okay, so in the class that I'm going to be teaching, I'm going to be training you guys on how to firstly set it up and get it to look how it's supposed to look. See, when you come to the page, it just looks great. So let's refresh this. Boom, voila. We got the transitions popping. You got all the packages. We're going to show you guys exactly how to set these up to where you can benefit from it. We have the web hosting plan, we have our reseller plan, and we also have our VPS hosting plan. If you're looking for a domain, or you already have one, but if you're looking for one, you would then type it here, and this basically will tell you if that domain is available. So let's say, for instance, if I just took SyberNinja and I copied that and I put it here. Okay, SyberNinja.com. Let's see if it's available. Boom, it's not available. Why? Because I own it. So when you get ready to come onto the page, and first thing first is you want to know what type of field you're in, okay? And domain name is very, very important, because this is what is going to be out on the web. This is what people are going to search for when they are looking for your business. So your domain really have to make sense, and it really has to line up to what you are selling on your site. And what I came up with is SyberNinja.com. You know, because I want my SyberNinja to have the fastest. I want my SyberNinja to, like I said, the upload time to be fast, the websites to look good and just slick and smooth, you know. So that's why I came up with SyberNinja, you know. So first thing first, you will come to the site, you pick your domain name. You have a lot of prices of the domains right here. You can go as far as whatever .com, netbiz, or we have a lot more, but that's on the other end of this part right here. Okay, you come down, basically you can see the numbers that we've actually done over the years, and we do offer maximum performance. We offer WordPress pre-installed, and that means WordPress is going to be on your account once you create your account. What you're going to have to do is just hit one button, and WordPress is going to go live, and you can just put in whatever name you want to call it. You know, we do offer free SSL certification, malware protection, uptime speed up to 99.99%. Also money back guaranteed if you don't like the service, or the service. If it doesn't work for you, you got the money back guarantee. Okay. This is some of the clients that we actually got up and running. As you can see, they left us some reviews on our work. Thank them guys for that. And you come on down. It's basically build your website with SyberNinja. You just hit this button and it'll take you to one of the plans, and you just pick your plan. Okay. So getting started, you're gonna go here, and it's gonna take you to the plan. Okay. Now this is the back office of it. First, you pick your plan. Let's say you wanted web hosting for $9.99, which the prices may vary. We're gonna change the prices on that, so just try to give people a great deal on the service, you know. So you'll pick your plan, and it says register a new domain. So let's say we'll register a new domain. Let's see, we'll call it thebesthosting.com. Let's check and see if it's available. It might not be, but who knows. Just what I thought. It's not. So let's say the best host. Let's see, the best web hosting. That's probably not going to be available either. So people are actually, buying these things, man. So let's just create something. Let's just come up with something like that and see if that's available. Okay, it's available. So right here you have the option to get a .com, .net, .biz, or .info at the end of your name. This is basically the back office. This is basically how everything takes in everything, and it just puts, and it works for you. A lot of this stuff is automated, and you're not going to have to do as much work as you might think you are. You're not, because everything actually works by itself. So I would say, let's say add this .com. Let's make it a .com. This is basically the back end of your office. If you want to become a reseller, you would get something like this, and you will be able to sell your hosting, and you'll be able to sell your domain names within the reseller account. So they'll give you a a template and everything like this, and you'll be able to sell exactly how I sell on this. You'll be able to use your reseller account, and it'll come up and it'll look like this. Okay. So once you continue, it's going to bring you to your package that you have ordered. And basically it's going to give you the breakdown of everything that you're going to get. You're going to have a website, you're going to get disk quota, monthly bandwidth, 5 accounts, 5 emails, etc., etc. And you would just check out. You would say, hey, I want mine to be monthly. So I want you guys to take out $9.97 a month for my domain name and to host it on your account. Or you can go annually, or you can go biannually one. You would then hit continue, and you would just hit continue. Okay, so again, this is basically the breakdown. This is the final breakdown of what you're going to receive. You're going to receive your shared hosting account. You're going to also have a free Weebly website builder, which you can use. I prefer to use WordPress because it's very good for the internet. And I just think Google loves WordPress, and you can do so much with WordPress, so I would prefer you just use WordPress. And we're going to be having classes on how to show you how to go about using WordPress, how to install templates, how to install plugins that actually helps your website to get the best performance that you're looking for out of your website. We're going to show you the tools that you're going to need for that. Once you have purchased your plan and your domain website, it's going to bring you to your back office, which will allow you to see all your information. Here you'll see, your service name, order new service. This is if you were a potential customer, and you would have this. You would see this display. This is actually one of our customers' account that I'm actually logged in now. So basically, your service is here to host your website. This would be your plan right here, your service plan. And this will right here, if you go back home, this will be your domain name that you have purchased. So right now we have a customer that purchased a domain. His domain name is here. So that process is complete. And if you wanted to go to website builder, you can use Weebly to build your website. You can click here and just choose your plan that you would like. If you want it, to have a Weebly site, that option is available right here. And then on SyberNinja's back office end will then receive that ticket and then set up the process for you to have a working Weebly account. Once that process is done on our end, then you will be able to log into your Weebly account right here, and access your information right here, and so on and so on. In office of your domains, of your service that you have right all here. And it's very well laid out, so you trust me, you're gonna love this setup. Trust me, you're gonna love it. We have support here, we have billing here, or you can open a ticket here if you're having issues. We're really quick about getting to these tickets and making sure our customers are satisfied. So just take your time and look through it, and just play around with it and just get the feel of it. Okay, now if you guys are looking to purchase, once you purchase and you want to start a website with WordPress, then you would go, let's see, go to my services. I think it's so right now this account doesn't have that privilege to go to WordPress and actually create an account, so they haven't purchased that web service yet, but they came and they bought their domain name. So their domain name is going to be here whenever they get ready to start their website. But without further ado, you will get a page like this and you'll be able to log into your Cpanel. This is the Cpanel. This is basically where you can come and you can pretty much do anything in your Cpanel back office. Okay. Once you get here, you can then create your WordPress right here. So you click on here, and this will be where you can install your WordPress account. Once your WordPress is installed, it will do all its installations here. You would then have to actually, let's see, say for instance, if you're a newcomer, you would then have to fill out the information, all this information, and then pick your theme, and then it'll process it, and then just say save and install right there. Once it's installed, you'll be able to come here and actually click here, and it'll bring you to your WordPress account. Okay, now this is the back office of SyberNinja's WordPress account. As you can see over to the left, it's a lot of functions that you can go through, just browse through, and if you need help with that, you can always hit us up, and we'll help you along the way of the process. You can click and you can say, oh, I want to see all my posts, or I want to put in some more media files, maybe some photos you want to add, or music you want to add. You can do it here. If you want to create another page to your your menu, you can also do it here. We have all the pages right here. You can check the comments of people that actually came and left comments. You can check it here. Your contact forms will be done here. This is a plugin. This is one of the plugins that I would prefer you to get. You should get if you're going to have a WordPress account. And this just basically helps you with the SEOs, meta tag, titles, sitemap. This is what you're going to need. Your rank math plugin. Elementor is basically a tool that allows you to customize your website. I know a lot of people don't like the standard WordPress sites that they offer, but Elementor is basically going to help you design it how you want to design it. Something similar to like SyberNinja's website and how we have it designed. We actually use Elementor, purchase the theme and we install the theme, and the theme is great, so you can use Elementor for that. Also, if you have templates saved, you can add a template. I think this comes with Elementor. Pretty link. This is basically shortened to the URL. This is one I just did earlier today. We added that. The appearance, you can change the theme of your site, customize it, add widgets, do your menus, your header, your theme editor, which you don't need to worry about that unless you are experienced in that. This is basically where your plugins will be. So if you're in the store and you're buying plugins, they're going to be here. This is what I call a plugin. So you'll be able to search whatever plugin that interests you, and you'll be able to do it here. Check the users of your account right here in WordPress. You see all your users that use your service or has came to your site and opt in and whatnot. And this is some more tools of the back office of WordPress. Basic stuff. Your settings. This is another plugin that I use, WordPress domain checker. That's integrated with my site. Let's see here. This one is you can make sliders for your website. So if you wanted to integrate sliders, you can do that with this plugin right here. This actually comes with when you purchase Elementor. This baby right here actually speeds up the website and helps it to operate faster. So that's basically the process of the WordPress, or how you get started with WordPress. And if you wanted to click here, you can actually go to your home page of your WordPress site, and it'll look lovely like this, you know. So you just upload your theme. If you need help with that, we can show you how to upload your theme and get going. Or you just want the service and you just want to, you know, create the website. You know, you'll be able to do that with SyberNinja. Now, that's gonna wrap that up for this video. If you have any questions, leave your comments and stuff below. Be sure to check us out. We do offer web hosting. We do work with our customers to try to get you the best plan that you're looking for. And if you have issues with your site, we're there. No doubt we're there to help you with the process of getting your website up and running so that you can have a wonderful website and you don't have to worry about any issues or anything like that, because we want to be right there 100% behind you. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Peace.